Mastering Server-Side Programming with Node.js. Hi, my name is Mohammed. I'm going to be your instructor throughout this course. I'm a software engineer programming mostly in the MERN stack, that is MongoDB, ExpressJS, React.js, and Node.js, as well as some usage of other web technologies such as PHP and Ruby on Rails. Most recently, I've been diving into mobile development using React Native and Java for Android. React Native for iOS and Android cross-platform development. The course overview. What we will learn. In section 1, we will learn an overview of the basics of advanced Node.js topics, such as discovering Mongoose and some other useful modules. In section 2, we will discuss templating engines such as EJS. In section 3, we will discover authentication with OAuth and the password module. In section 4, we will discover secure coding with Node.js, including encryption with bcrypt. In section 5, we will be creating a secure web blog. Some prerequisites. Decent working knowledge of HTML, CSS, and client-side JavaScript. And you don't have to be a pro, you just have to have some knowledge of those technologies. You will also have to have some basic knowledge of Node.js and ExpressJS. And it's also suggested for you to have taken the beginner Node.js course that I've created. It's called Server-Side Programming with Node.js for Beginners. And you can just search that up in the Pack Publishing website, or you can just search up my name and you will find it easily, though it's not a requirement for you to have taken that course as long as you have some basic knowledge of Node.js and ExpressJS, as well as some basic knowledge of MongoDB, and that's how to create, read, update, and delete information. You will also have to have a text editor installed and have some knowledge of the terminal. So the course goals. We will be learning Mongoose functionalities and how data modeling can help us create scalable applications. So this course is really focused on secureness of our applications and the scalability of our application. We will be learning how to use templating engines to communicate directly from the server to the client and creating reusable front-end code. We will be learning how OAuth and the passport module fit in within our application for authentication. We will be signing users in with Facebook and signing users in locally with Mongoose and MongoDB. We will be discovering application security and encrypting sensitive data using the bcrypt module. And we will be creating a secure web blog, as well as deploying our web blog application to Heroku and sending email notifications to our users.